My waifu was stolen by a cult.
Ang larawan.
Naku po, ano yan, sir? Ay! Ano pala yan?
Bastan nyo ang larawan na ito. Nakakatire! Nakakasuka! May bahid ng kabansada.
Look at that photo.
Uy!
Ay, there it is. He wants his waifu. No.
Gigil na gigil siya kay!
Ang waifu niya. Solomon.
Ibalik po ang... Oy! Hornets last block kay Hakay. Sinampal si Solomon.
Oh, in comes Aaron Liwanag. Oh! Taking him for a spin.
Lakas sa alien friend! Aaron going for the... Touchdown!
Oh, bagsak ng Liwanag.
Yun na yata yun. I think that's it. Oh, wait, no. He's not. He's not making the cover.
Basahin mo na nga yung waifu.
Oh, the waifu!
Oh! No! No! One!
Not the waifu!
Oh, there.
Hakay! Makes the save!
Hakay saves the waifu!
Not yet. He's trying to let him go. Oh, but wait.
Oh, alien
Alien friend
saves!
saves
Waifu!
waifu!
Nakuha na nila!
Alien friends. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, distracted. Uh-oh. Schoolboy. Oh!
Masyadong talo na naman ang Otawe. Bakit pa sa masyadong gigil na gigil sa 2D na drawing? May AI naman.
I think Hakay Mateo understands.
Oh!